Ever found yourself wondering what paintless dent repair, or PDR, is all about? Well, let's unravel this mystery. PDR is a safe and effective method for fixing dents, all while keeping your car's paint pristine. It's a champion at preserving your vehicle's factory finish, ensuring the value stays intact. And let's not forget, it's a hail damage superstar. So if you've been worried about those pesky dents ruining your car's appearance, PDR could be your solution. Now let's delve into how this magic happens, shall we? Imagine a team of skilled technicians akin to surgeons, but for your car. They expertly wield a set of specialized tools to access and repair dents, all while keeping the original paint intact. It's like a carefully choreographed dance where every move is precise and calculated. Paintless dent repair, or PDR, is an incredibly versatile process. It's not picky about the size of the dent, handling both small and large ones with equal finesse. And the best part, it's a major time saver. The process is streamlined, getting you back on the road in no time. But the benefits don't stop there. PDR is also a cost-effective solution compared to traditional dent repair methods. In fact, some insurance policies may even cover the costs of PDR, making it a win-win for everyone involved. Efficient, cost-effective, and precise. That's PDR for you. And did you know PDR is also a friend of the environment? You see, this method drastically cuts back on waste and energy use. How, you ask? By preserving the original paint, it eliminates the need for chemical-laden paint and solvents, reducing the harmful emissions that traditional repair methods produce. It's literally a breath of fresh air. So there you have it, PDR, a reliable, safe, and eco-friendly option for restoring your vehicle's appearance. Give it a thought the next time you spot a dent.